Nigerian actress and producer Olayinka Solomon has shared some exciting news on her Instagram page. The talented star announced the arrival of her newborn baby boy with a heartfelt post. Here's what she wrote: "With hearts full of love and joy, we welcome our baby boy into the world. You are the greatest blessing we could ever dream of, a tiny miracle that has already filled our lives with endless happiness." The announcement is already melting hearts, with fans, friends, and colleagues flooding her page with congratulatory messages and prayers for the new bundle of joy. This marks another beautiful chapter in Olayinka Solomon's life, and her followers couldn't be happier for her. Congratulations to Olayinka and her family on this wonderful blessing.